Hello there, I'm Zena James with your Monday night forecast. Let's dive right in. Now, it's that time again. The Agromet Bulletin is out for the rest of March. That's covering the period March 16th to 31st. But before we get into that, let's take a quick look back so we can draw a bit of a comparison between the two. Now, rainfall totals for the first half of March were pretty low. Now, Trinidad recorded just about 5.1 millimeters, while Tobago saw even less at 3.6 millimeters. Now, as we look ahead, the Trinidad and Tobago Meteorological Service is forecasting below normal rainfall for the remainder of the month, including April and May. Now, here in Trinidad, we're expecting between 50 millimeters and 35 millimeters, with the majority of rainfall favoring areas like Moruga, Penal, Mayaro, and Valencia. Now, these areas are expected to have moderate to high chance of about 2 millimeters per day. Over in Tobago, rainfall totals are expected to range between 12 millimeters and 25 millimeters, mainly over northern and eastern parts like Charlottesville and Roxborough, with those areas having a higher chance of around 1.4 millimeters per day, while southwestern areas may see about 1 millimeter daily. On to today, conditions were partly sunny across both islands, with just a few brief isolated showers. About 1 millimeter of rainfall was recorded in parts of Trinidad, but none over in Tobago. And when we say hot, we mean hot. Piarco hit 33.5, while Crown Point or Scarborough hit 31.1. Now, we're also dealing with a bit of Saharan dust, moderate Saharan dust concentrations, making conditions hazy. Now, the dust will ease up a bit tomorrow, but as the main plume moves over us, expected to return in the coming days. So if you're sensitive to reduced air quality, be sure to take the necessary precautions. Now, for tonight in Trinidad, expect partly cloudy and hazy skies with brief isolated showers, which could clear as the night progresses. The nighttime low will be a bit warmer than we've experienced thus far, coming in around 24 degrees. Over in Tobago, conditions will be mostly clear and hazy with a slight chance of a brisk shower. Your nighttime low is expected around 25 degrees. Now, with the increase in Saharan dust, you might notice some vibrant sunrises and sunsets, so keep an eye out for that during these times. Now, on Tuesday, the haze sticks around, hence those new icons that we have here on our graphics, but it should clear by the evening, closer to around 8 p.m. So that's evening, nighttime. Otherwise, it's shaping up to be hot and sunny with partly cloudy skies and a few brief showers. The maximum temperature will be around 33 degrees, but it could even hit 34. Over in Tobago, you'll have 31 degrees, but hot, sunny, and hazy conditions with the chance of some brief showers. Now, although sea conditions are moderate, northeast swells could make our waters just a bit choppy, so be cautious during those times. However, our wave heights will range between 1.5 and 2 meters in open waters and about 1 meter in sheltered areas. We will have those winds coming out of the east, moving at 5 to 35 kilometers per hour. Don't forget to check the high tide and low tide times, especially if you're heading out to sea.